Welcome to this technical guide on the Dyson V15. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your Dyson V15 is making a horrible noise, it's likely an indication that the motor is failing. This can happen due to wear and tear or blockages affecting the motor's performance. If left unrepaired, it may lead to further damage and potentially render your vacuum unusable. To tackle this issue, you will need a few tools: a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a replacement motor compatible with the Dyson V15. Begin by ensuring your vacuum is turned off and unplugged. Carefully detach the dustbin from the main body of the vacuum. Next, use the Phillips screwdriver to remove the screws securing the main casing. Keep these screws safe as you will need them later. Once all screws are removed, gently pry open the casing using the flathead screwdriver. Take your time here to avoid damaging any clips or locking mechanisms. Inside, locate the motor. It is typically situated at the base of the vacuum. You may notice some dust or debris around it. This is normal, but be careful not to let any of it fall into other components. Disconnect the motor's wires by carefully unclipping them, taking note of where each wire connects. This will help you when installing the new motor. Now, remove the screws holding the motor in place. Be gentle and remember the type of screws used, as you'll need to replace them with the same ones for the new motor. Once the motor is free, take the new motor and position it exactly where the old one was located. Secure it in place with the screws you previously removed. Reconnect the wires, ensuring they are snugly fitted and in the correct positions. Before closing the casing, it's a good idea to test the motor. Plug the vacuum in and turn it on briefly to ensure everything is working correctly. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. If everything sounds good, proceed to close the casing carefully. Align it properly and press down until you hear it click into place. Finally, replace all screws you removed earlier to secure everything tightly. To prevent this problem from recurring, ensure you regularly clean the filters and check for blockages in the vacuum. Avoid letting debris build up, as this can strain the motor over time. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.